Hey guys, Brax the Heart here. Today we're reviewing Carla Veloso with Flames and Silver Jackson Storm. So let's check out not Silver Carla. So let's check out Carla Veloso with Flames first. Here's the back of the package. It's from the World Grand Prix Series, WGP. The World Grand Prix will determine who's the fastest car in the world. On the back you get Raul Sarro, Lake McQueen, Francesco Brunoni, or even Shu Taruki. Let's go open her up and check her out. So here's Carla Veloso with Flames. Here's Carla Veloso right here. It has nice blue wheels on there. Pretty cool. Spoiler says World Grand Prix. On the back right here, you can see that green right on the back here. It's pretty cool. On the side says World Grand Prix number 8, World Grand Prix. All in all, it has flames on the back. When in the movie he crashes, you see on these flames on the back, and he just blew out. And he crashed. Yeah, that's what happened in Cars. Okay, so now let's move on to Jackson Storm with silver paint job. On the back it says, "Stylish and speed, those shining racers pay homage the roots of racing." On the back you can get him and Silver Chick Hicks, just like I had right here. So let's check out Silver Jackson Storm. So here is Silver Jackson Storm. He races for Igniter right here. His number is 2.0. There's the sponsors. Okay, let's see. Piston Cup, Combustor, Carbon Cyber, and Synergy. And S on the side, which is Storm. On the back here's no rookie stripes. No rookie stripes on the back. It has the next gen white year tires, which is they're blue. That's where Tag Tunes always love the next gen white year tires. It has this cool silver paint job, and that's it. So here is Silver Jackson Storm. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye, Bright Hearts.